Hi, I'm Joyce Odedison of interpersonalwellness.com, and I am the creator of the Wellness Facilitator program. Are you looking to turn your clients into raving fans? About a decade ago, I created the interpersonal wellness system model as a way to streamline my work and, get bigger breakthroughs with my clients. To my surprise, they turned into raving fans. My clients were going back to their workplace. They were sharing with friends and families, with their neighbors. I had some of my corporate clients calling and saying, Joyce, what's going on? Our employees are so happy working with you. They're telling other employees to come work with you. I actually started laughing. I was like, well, good for them. It turned out I also introduced this tool in our coach training program. And so some of our coaches started implementing it into their practice, and they were having similar results. This led to me creating the Wellness Facilitator program. Now, this program is for you. If you're a practitioner, a coach, a social worker, if you work with people and you have clients who you need to have major breakthroughs with, and you're looking to provide them with a roadmap to wellness, I invite you to investigate this program. Real, actual tools that you can use with your clients and you can implement into your business. Click the link above and register to be part of our upcoming Wellness Facilitator program. So I look forward to hearing from you. Join me at the next information session. I can't wait to work with you and help you turn your clients into raving fans. Stay well.